Good evening one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the very important topic, that is respiration. Before going to discuss about the respiration, we have to do simple experiment. Okay, just you have to take one test tube. In that test tube you have to take some lime water. Okay, take some lime water and blow some air. Using the tube you have to blow some air. And like that you have to take one more test tube. In the test tube you have to take what? Okay, lime water as it is like A. In B also you have to take lime water. Okay, blow some air. You have to send the air using with what? Injection or pitchcork. We are using spraying especially in crops we are using pitchcork. Like that you have to send some air into the lime water. In first we are blowing our air into the lime water. In this situation, we are sending the air using with pitchcork, using with injection. Why we took two? In first situation, we are blowing the air, our air, into the lime water. We are sending. In second situation, using with instrument we are sending the air into the lime water. In both of them, which lime water is turns very fast into milky white. Generally we know, carbon dioxide turns lime water into milky white. Here in first situation we blow our air. In second situation, using with instrument, we are using with injection pitchcork, we are sending the air. In both situations, both are turns into milky white. But which turns into milky white very fast. That is, in which test tube we are blowing air. Why? Because in our body, what we are inhalation, exhalation process is going on. We are exhale what? Carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide percentage is more in our exhalation. So that what will be happen? This test tube, in that test tube, lime water is turned into milky white very fast. Compared with this, it is very slow. It's turned into milky white very slow. Why? Because in air is a mixture of gases. In the carbon dioxide component is there. But carbon dioxide percentage is very less, 0.03 to 0.4 percentage. But here the carbon dioxide percentage is more than 500. That means in our whatever exhalation we are blowing, in that carbon dioxide percentage is more, so that in that test tube lime water turns into milky white very fast. Finally, what we have concluded? We are exhale what? Carbon dioxide. In inhalation and exhalation. In exhalation, the carbon dioxide content percentage is more. That is, it will be shown this experiment. Okay, are you understand? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what? Especially, we are going to discuss about respiration. What is a respiration? Now we are going to discuss about respiration. Okay, respiration means what? Generally everybody thought that respiration means what? Somebody saying so many times I'm asked to the students, what is respiration? All are given only one type of answer. Sir, respiration means what? Inhalation and exhalation. Taking in, out, sending out, in and out, that is called respiration. Okay, that is called respiration. But that is a part of respiration. It is not respiration. That is a part of respiration. It is a breathing. What we call inhalation. The events of inhalation, events of inhalation and exhalation. What we call that is breathing. What we call breathing. Breathing is a part of respiration. It is one of the part of respiration. Okay. Now, what is respiration? What is respiration? What is the use of respiration? What is the main purpose of respiration? Why we have to respire? Why respiration is important metabolic activity in human beings? Without respiration, what happens? Only breathing is sufficient. It is external process into the lungs to outside. External process. Respiration is the internal process. What is internal process? It occurs in cell. Very cell. Our body, total body cell made up of cells. It occurs inside the cell. What happens inside the cell? Respiration. In respiration, what happens? Actually, whatever we are taking various types of food materials. Various types of food compound, protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. In that proteins, carbohydrate gives us more energy. How they gives us more energy? These carbohydrates, that means first food molecules. Okay, so that I write what? Glucose. Glucose broke down and releasing energy. Releasing energy is called releasing energy in our cell. In cell is called respiration. Okay, respiration. Respiration means what? It is not an external process. This is the internal process. What will happen in internal process? For example, this is cell. For example, cell. Inside the cell, in the presence of oxygen, this glucose molecule broke down and releasing what? Energy. Releasing energy in cell. This is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? The respiration means what? Don't say respiration means what? Inhalation and exhalation. Respiration means what? Food molecule, whatever. Glucose molecule broke down and releasing energy in our cell is called respiration. Glucose molecule broke down and releasing energy in our cell is called, that is respiration. Generally, respiration occurs in two types. One is aerobic respiration. And second one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay, there are the two types of respiration. One is aerobic respiration, another one is anaerobic respiration. Air means what? In the presence of oxygen. Respiration occurs in some organisms. Respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Without oxygen, respiration is not occurs. In which organism respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen is called, that is aerobic respiration. That means in aerobic respiration, oxygen is required. It occurs presence of oxygen. Air means oxygen. That is aerobic respiration. In some organism, respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. That is we can call aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, generally in respiration, what happens? Glucose molecule C6H12O6. This is what? Glucose molecule. Glucose. This glucose molecule, in the presence of oxygen, it broke down and releasing carbon dioxide, water molecules and energy. 36 ATPs of energy, like ATPs, adenosine triphosphate. Later we will discuss what is ATP. Okay, here this is glucose molecule. In the presence of oxygen, glucose C6H12O6. Glucose molecule in the presence of oxygen and in the presence of oxygen broke down and releasing what it releasing? Carbon dioxide, water molecules, water and energy. Okay, it is releasing energy stores in our body remaining carbon dioxide and water molecule. For example, if you exhale, what happened? Light water vapor, and in that exhalation, last time we are observed in carbon dioxide, in exhalation, whatever we are exhale, in that air, the carbon dioxide percentage is more. That means whatever we are exhale outside the body, we are sending outside the body what? Carbon dioxide. That means this glucose molecule broke down. Where does it is broke down? Into inside the cell, so that cellular respiration. It is broke down releasing what? Carbon dioxide, water molecules and energy. Energy stores in mitochondria. This carbon dioxide and water molecules are sending outside the body. Carbon dioxide is sending outside the body as per diffusion. This is what? Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is occurred in the presence of oxygen. But now we have to discuss about anaerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Now we are going to discuss about anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, okay, term I am using. Okay, an means generally simple, easy to identify. An means absent. What is absent? Air. Air means already I have told oxygen. That means in some organisms, here oxygen is absent. That means in some organisms respiration is occurs without oxygen. No need for oxygen. Without oxygen. Some organisms releasing energy without oxygen. Oxygen is not required to releasing energy, but aerobic respiration compulsory glucose molecule, broke down of glucose molecule, it combined with what? Oxygen and broke down and releasing energy. That energy is we are utilizing. But here in anaerobic, in an means absent, aerobic means oxygen. In that some organisms respire without oxygen. They are releasing the energy without oxygen. What is that animals? What is that organisms? Some microorganisms like yeast. Yeast is a fungus. Okay, some microorganisms like yeast, some of the bacteria are showing what? Anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration only it is releasing 2 ATPs of energy, very less energy. But that is a very small organism, microscopic organism, so that less energy is enough for them. For us, not enough. But here, yeast and bacteria are in that anaerobic respiration is occurred. In anaerobic respiration, what will be happen? What? Glucose molecule C6H12O6 directly in the absence of oxygen, no oxygen, absence of oxygen converts into C2H5OH plus CO2 and little bit energy, 2 ATPs of energy. Okay, so that we have write energy. That means it is releasing what? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol. You can call also ethanol. It is releasing ethanol. That means at there it is releasing what? It is this directly releasing what? Ethanol. That is called fermentation. What is mean by fermentation? Fermentation means what? Glucose converts into ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Or ethanol is called fermentation. Okay, example, one fermentation example is what? For example, you have to take some sugar solution. Take one beaker. Okay, generally everyday life we are observed this fermentation process, making breads, and what, especially for dosa, especially for our mother is making what? Dosha dough. After 3-4 days, if you observe it, the whatever dough, that is turned into what? Sour in taste, very sour. When the days are increasing, the taste is also sour, very sour. Why? Because in that what? The dough is glucose, the glucose converts into ethyl alcohol. One more example, easy to understand. Generally in our homes, what? Grapes, okay? The grape wine, the preparation of grape wine also they are using fermentation method. Especially generally in our homes, what we are doing, we are keeping somewhere grapes. In grapes, what will be happen actually? The grapes, if we forgot about that grapes, after maybe 10 to 15 days, the grape starts from melting. And also it gives different smell. The grapes gives different smell. The taste also sour in taste. That means the grapes are glucose, whatever glucose is there in that grapes, that is turned into ethyl alcohol. Wine, ethyl alcohol, that is wine. Conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol is called, that is we can call what? Fermentation. In the process of fermentation is occurs in some yeast, some type of animal. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, for example, this glucose molecule without oxygen, it is releasing what? Ethyl alcohol. That is we can call what? Especially an anaerobic process of respiration. Okay, now in human beings, one very important point we have to discuss. Okay, in human beings, anaerobic respiration is occurs. In human beings, respire without oxygen? No. Everybody is saying no. But sometimes in human beings also, anaerobic respiration is occurs. Anaerobic respiration is occurs. Why? Because we are multicellular organisms. For example, we are doing lot of work. We are played so many hours. Okay, athlete, for example, we are doing 3-4 hours continuously working, running, walking, jumping. After few hours, we feel muscle pains. Muscle pains, or we can call muscle cramps. Muscle cramps. Why we feel muscle pains? Why we feel muscle cramps? That means actually we are working, continuously working so many hours, continuously. If you work, what will be happen? Whatever oxygen is there in our body, totally consumed or not sufficient. After oxygen is not there in our body, in our cells, whatever oxygen is there, everything is consumed. What happened now? Now, an anaerobic respiration is occurs. At the time, the glucose releasing what? Lactic acid. Lactic acid. Accumulation of lactic acid. So that we have read glucose C6H12O6 releasing what? Lactic acid. directly converts into lactic acid. Accumulation means what? Gather. Accumulation of lactic acid, what will be happen? We feel muscle pains. The cause of muscle cramps or muscle pains in our body. Okay, when we are continuously working, walking, jumping, running, whatever is there, without rest, what will be happen actually? Our body cells are, whatever cells is there in our body, in that cells oxygen is not sufficient. So that what will be happen? This glucose directly is releasing what? Lactic acid. Accumulation of lactic acid in our muscles, what will be happen actually? For that is the cause of muscle pains or muscle cramps. Okay, so that you have to remember, very very important, accumulation of lactic acid is the cause of what? Muscle cramps. That means in human beings also sometimes anaerobic respiration is occurs. Okay, you understand? Thank you.